The Vivo Y95 comes with a 6.22-inch Halo full-view display screen with notch. Choose from two colors, Starry Black, Nebula Purple. The phone is made available with 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory, expandable up to 256GB. Both SIM slots support 4G Volt capability. The 6.22-inch HD Plus notch display provides a seamless entertainment experience. Unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor placed at the back. The AI-powered 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual rear camera enables you to capture great shots with clarity. The 20-megapixel AI selfie camera allows you to take perfect selfies. The phone runs on Android Oreo-based FunTouch OS. The Y95 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor. The phone features AI game mode for uninterrupted gaming experience. This phone is powered by a 4030 mAh battery. The box includes handset, earphone, user manual, micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin, and protective case. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange. For further information on the product, warranty, payment, and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.